Welcome to this tutorial on how to pay with Revolut on iPhone. Revolut is a digital banking app that allows you to manage your finances, make payments, and transfer money globally. To get started, you need to download and install the Revolut app from the App Store. First, open the Revolut app on your iPhone and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you can sign up for one by following the in-app instructions. Once you're logged in, you'll see your account dashboard, which displays your account balance and recent transactions. To make a payment, tap the Pay button at the bottom of the screen. You'll be asked to select the type of payment you want to make, such as a contact, a business, or a card payment. For example, if you want to send money to a friend, select Contact and choose the friend's name from your contact list. If you want to pay a business, select Business and enter the business's details, such as their name and account number. You can also use the QR code scanner to scan a payment QR code. To pay with a card, select Card and enter the card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Before making a payment, make sure you have sufficient funds in your account. You can also add a note or description to the payment, which can be helpful for record-keeping purposes. Once you've entered all the necessary details, review the payment information to ensure everything is correct. If you're satisfied with the payment details, tap the Pay button to confirm the transaction. The payment will be processed immediately, and you'll receive a confirmation notification. You can also view the payment details in your transaction history, which can be accessed from the account dashboard. Best practices for paying with Revolut on iPhone include keeping your app and operating system up to date, using strong passwords and two-factor authentication, and monitoring your account activity regularly. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Revolut to make fast, secure, and convenient payments on your iPhone.